Ever felt like your stress level is off the charts or your life is out of balance? If so, you're not alone. In the fast-paced world we live in, finding tranquility amidst the chaos can feel like an uphill battle. But what if I told you there's a door to relaxation and balance that you can open anytime you choose? A door that leads to a place where stress melts away and harmony reigns. This door is yoga, a powerful tool in maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Yoga isn't just about physical strength and flexibility, it's about nurturing mental clarity and inner peace. It's about taking a moment to breathe, to connect with your body, and to find balance within yourself. Yoga offers an array of benefits, from stress relief to improved flexibility and enhanced mental clarity. But the beauty of yoga is that it's accessible to everyone, regardless of age or fitness level. Stay tuned as we dive into some practical yoga tips that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. The foundation of any yoga practice starts with proper breathing. This takes us to the heart of yoga, the art of breathing, known as pranayama. A basic technique that is often used is Ujjayi pranayama, also known as the victorious breath. It involves breathing deeply through your nose, filling your lungs, while slightly constricting your throat. This creates a soothing sound, similar to the sound of the ocean, which can help to calm your mind and body. These breathing exercises serve as a bridge between our physical and mental states, helping us to achieve a sense of balance. You can use these techniques not only during your yoga practice, but also at any time when you feel stressed or overwhelmed. Just a few minutes of focused breathing can help to quiet your mind, reduce anxiety, and bring a sense of calmness and tranquility to your day. Remember, a calm mind is the first step towards a balanced life. Now that we've mastered our breath, let's move on to some yoga poses that promote balance. First up, we have the tree pose, or Vrksasana. This pose helps strengthen your legs, back, and core. It requires you to focus and find your center, literally grounding you and bringing you closer to achieving balance. When you stand on one foot, your body has to adjust to the change in weight distribution. This helps improve your overall balance and stability. Next, we have the Warrior 3, or Virabhadrasana 3. This pose is a bit more challenging, but it's fantastic for improving balance and concentration. It requires strength, flexibility, and poise. Warrior 3 works your entire body, but particularly your legs, core, and back. It's a full-body balance pose that can really help you feel more grounded and stable. Lastly, we have the Half Moon pose, or Ardha Chandrasana. This pose is a beautiful expression of balance and grace. It requires you to engage your core and legs while opening up your chest and hips. Half Moon pose helps to improve balance and stability while also working on your flexibility and strength. Remember, it's not about perfection, but about the journey towards achieving balance. It's about exploring your body's capabilities and pushing your boundaries in a safe, respectful way. Incorporate these poses into your daily routine and notice the difference they make in your balance and stability. Finally, let's explore some yoga poses that can help us relax. Imagine this, a pose that allows you to retreat into yourself, to find a safe haven within your own body. That's what Child's Pose, or Balasana, offers. Kneel on your mat, sit back on your heels, and fold forward until your forehead touches the mat. Extend your arms in front of you. This pose gently stretches your back while encouraging a sense of introspection and calm. Next, let's talk about Savasana, also known as Corpse Pose. Despite its grim name, it's a pose of complete relaxation. You simply lie flat on your back on the mat, arms and legs spread slightly apart, palms facing up. Close your eyes and breathe deeply. This pose is a chance to rest and reset, to let go of stress and tension. Lastly, Legs Up the Wall Pose, or Viparita Karani, is a rejuvenating inversion. You lie on your back near a wall and extend your legs up the wall. This pose can help reverse the effects of gravity on your body, promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety. Each of these poses offers a unique pathway to relaxation, a chance to step back from the chaos of life and find peace within yourself. It's not about perfection, but rather about finding a moment of stillness amid the movement. Embrace these poses when you need a moment of tranquility in your hectic day. And there you have it. We've unlocked the door to relaxation and let in the tranquility. We've breathed life into the basics, mastering the essential rhythm of inhale and exhale. We've explored yoga poses that help you find your balance and those that invite relaxation. Each day offers a chance to incorporate these elements into your routine. So, are you ready to embrace the calm and find your balance with yoga? The journey starts with you.